Hey, it's David Farmer, and today we're going to be talking TradeValue Express. Now, we all know that the second most important thing that a customer wants to do when visiting your dealership website is to find out what the value of their vehicle is if they were to trade it in to your dealership. And one way that customers can do this is by utilizing some sort of trade evaluation technology that you have on your dealership's website. Now, the challenge with many of these trade evaluation technologies, it is just a static value that gets associated with the vehicle just based on a book value. Now, that is a great place to start, but for customers that are really looking at engaging with real type of digital retailing activity, there has to be another level for a customer to really engage and find out what their vehicle in specific terms is worth to you as a dealership. And one way that we're able to do it with TradeValue Express is by utilizing our Express Cash Offer technology. And that's what we're going to be discussing in this video, is how you can embed TradeValue Express on your dealership website to, first of all, get a customer to engage with that technology on your dealership website, and then what things they can do to really engage in digital retailing or retail activity to get that customer to choose your dealership to do business with versus anybody else that's in the marketplace. So what I'm going to do now is, up over here is our demo website. We're going to take this demo website and we're going to go to a sample, first of all, homepage. So first of all, let me get to enticedemo.com. This is a faux dealership website where we can embed our real live technology. And if you scroll up a little bit from enticedemo.com, what you're going to find is that we have our TradeValue Express banner right on the homepage. So this banner that you're seeing right here actually is where a customer can start their trade evaluation journey on your dealership website. Now, this interactive banner allows a customer to start the process just by typing in their year, make, and model, or just model. We're going to automatically filter that down to a list of matching vehicles. And then from this point, customer is going to select that trim level, and that's going to open up the TradeValue Express technology right on the page that they're on. It's going to pre-fill out all of that information as you see there, allowing that customer to take the next step. Now, also, you can take this TradeValue Express banner and you can embed it anywhere on your dealership website. So our recommendation would be to pop it up on the top of your search results page. And if I jump into a vehicle detail page, you can see that we'll have it right up here as well on top of the vehicle display page. We have it automatically adapting to a mobile device if a customer visits from mobile, providing really more of an app style experience versus a mobile website type of experience right in the TradeValue Express technology. Now, one of the reasons that I have my phone out here is during this process, I want to show you how you as a dealer have the ability to interact with consumers in real time and provide an express cash offer for a vehicle as the customer is online with a real offer, a competitive offer that somebody at the dealership actually gets to put a number on. So what we're going to do now is let's go ahead and jump into this process. And I'm going to start just with 2016 Camry. I'm going to select an SE model from the dropdown. That's going to open up. Actually, this is our test. Let me jump out of here. Let me jump into our SRP. This is recorded live, so we're always going to deal with some issues. But in this case, I'm going to start it over. Go ahead and jump into a live or a vehicle. So I'm a 2016 Toyota Camry. And just for clarification, that other page, we're actually working on integrating live chat, so you could actually chat with the consumer right in the TradeValue Express technology. Just a preview of what's going on, and that was a little bit of the tests that you saw there. But hey, let's get back to this. So 2016 Toyota Camry SE, it's going to automatically estimate the mileage based on the year, 60,000 miles. It's going to go ahead and add the zip code of the device of that I'm using and decode that for the customer, making this really as frictionless as possible, making it easy for a customer to get their real trade value. Now, we're going to move into this next step, and as you can see here, we do have an offer for a $25 Visa reward card just for visiting the dealership for an appraisal. So this is how we can embed our Visa reward card system right into TradeValue Express, incentivizing the customer to visit your dealership showroom with something a little bit special. And in this case, we're utilizing a $25 Visa reward card to do that. Now, for a customer to start this process, all they have to do is enter their first name, their last name, their email address, their phone number to start the process. Now, we're going to take this customer to the next step. This is where they can select the overall condition of their vehicle. And as you can see, I have the ability to select from fair, good, very good, or excellent. Now, this is for the instant book value process. So we're going to be able to let the customer know exactly what the book value is for their vehicle. This is only going to be one step that we're going to be able to do in this process. Now, as a customer, I can add my own options if I want to, or I can just price it with standard equipment, which we know most people do. I'm going to go ahead and take this next step right here. And now this is where we get to the ability to have the customer request an express cash offer. And they can do that by uploading images of their vehicle. As you can see right here, we have a nice little video that explains how this process works. But in this case, I'm just going to jump right in and show you. So from a customer standpoint, I can just click on the front of the vehicle. This is where I need to upload an image of the front of the vehicle. Now on this laptop, I have a few images saved where I can actually upload those images from. I'm going to go ahead and grab an image of the rear of my vehicle. Now, if I was on a mobile device, what I'm able to do is take photos right while I'm in the system. So I'm on the website, I open up TradeValue Express, I can take a photo and it'll upload it right into the system at the same time. So again, providing that app-style engagement for a customer. Now what I'm going to do is upload an image of the passenger side of the vehicle. I'm going to upload an image of the driver side of the vehicle. And I'm going to upload an image of the VIN number itself. So really our goal with this is to get a customer to engage in this process. Now, they know that in order to get a real value for their car, the dealership is going to have to see the car. So that's what we're providing with TradeValue Express and Express Cash Offer is we give the customer the ability to allow the dealership to look at the car so they know that they're getting a real offer for their vehicle. They can add some comments here. Maybe I serviced a vehicle every 3,000 miles, whatever message they want to send to you. Now, the next step is where we're going to see the actual Kelley Blue Book value. So we have a tight integration with Kelley Blue Book. We utilize KBB because we feel it is the best way to present a well-known trade evaluation to a consumer. So it is the most recognized trade evaluation value to consumers in the United States, probably the world. So we're going to leverage that and really be able to provide that information to your customer in real time as they're walking through the process. Now, what's happened is as I've gone through here, and if I open up my overhead camera here, you're going to see that as a dealer, I've received an express cash offer request via email while the customer is still online getting their evaluation. So you're able to get this in real time as the customer is still engaging on your dealership website. And if I open this up, you're going to see that I'm going to have all of my customers' information here, all the vehicle information, and then most importantly, I'm seeing the images. So as a used vehicle manager, I'm seeing these images for this trade-in vehicle right on my phone. This goes right into any email address. We just get that from your management team. And really, as a professional used vehicle manager, if I have the year, the make, the model, the miles, and I have a general idea of what the interior looks like, the exterior looks like, I see that VIN, so I'm making sure that I'm decoding it the right way, I'm going to be able to put a real number on the car. And that's really what is most important about the TradeValue Express technology, is this ability to put a real number on a vehicle. We know that customers have the ability to get real trade values, whether it's from Carvana, CarMax, Vroom, TrueCar, instant cash offer from KBB or Auto Trader. I mean, there's many different ways for customers to get a real value that is your direct competitors. What we want to do is we want to give the power of live real-time offers to you, the dealer, and your management team. So you can get as aggressive as you want in a real offer to make sure that you're putting your best foot forward with your customer, so you get that face-to-face opportunity. And that's what Express Cash Offer allows us to do. Now, from this point, jumping back to if I'm a consumer, I'm on the website, I can take these next steps. Now, I do have the ability to let the dealership know what vehicle I'm considering next. So I can select a 2020 Toyota Camry, for example. And then I also have the ability to schedule my inspection. We know that customers, one of the main things customers want to be able to do today in automotive retail is make their experience at the dealership as quick as possible. Now, this isn't anything new. This is something that, I've been researching for the last 20 years in automotive, and I find that the most important thing a customer wants to do is to do it fast and easy. So we're going to let the customer do it fast and easy by scheduling an appointment, but they know that the dealership is going to have to look at the vehicle to confirm the value. So we're going to do that here. So I'm going to say I'm going to come in on Saturday, and I want to come in at 1:30 like everybody does. And then I'm able to complete the process, and then I'm going to be provided with an Express Cash Offer Trade Value Certificate. This Trade Value Certificate is going to have a notification on here right here that I have requested an Express Cash Offer, and the dealership has received that Express Cash Offer request. Now, as a dealer that has the authority to put a number on a car, you can see right from this email here, I click the button that says Make Express Cash Offer. That's going to log me into the Entice tools, where I can log in with a username and password. That's going to bring me directly into this interface here. So whatever number I've decided to put on this car, let's say it's 16,000. I could add my digital signature right there, and then I can save that. 16,000, yes, I approve that offer. So you can see how simple it was. Within a few mouse clicks, I put an Express Cash Offer right from my mobile device without having to sit down, go on the computer. I'm able to do that in, if I know what the value is on a core product, I can do that in 15 to 30 seconds. But what's most important is if I am a customer and I get on my email box, I will get an Express Cash Offer from the dealership that includes a Express Cash Offer right from your dealership. So you can see right here, it has the images of the vehicle that I have traded in. It has the the Express Cash offer and all the information about it. Of course, I have the ability to open up this certificate, and this certificate is the Express Cash offer certificate that I'm able to bring into the dealership. And of course, that's going to be sent automatically to the dealer or the customer's email inbox. So they can bring it in on a mobile device as well, as you see right there. I'm going to bring it right in, right on my mobile device. I'm going to bring in that Express Cash offer certificate. So this is a way for you as a dealership to have a competitive advantage against anybody else in your marketplace, whether it's Carvana, whether it's CarMax, whether it's TrueCar, any other place that's trying to buy cars in your marketplace. This allows you, the dealer, to be able to compete with a real offer, a real competitive offer in real time. So I appreciate you taking the time to learn a little bit more about Express Cash Offer and TradeValue Express. Now you're going to find this video plus many others on entice.com.